This is Nissan Maxima injector chip. This is the common problem inside ECU. When you start the car, no working injector, must you open this and check. This is desoldering gun, very nice tool. I checked this chip. This chip number STA508A. Every Nissan ECU, this is very common problem for fail this ECU. How to check? 10 leg. It has 10 leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This IC has 4 MOSFET. How to check? Pin number 1, collector, base, emitter. Base, emitter, base, emitter, base, emitter. These two collector. Let's we check. Pin number 1 and pin number 10. This is the power side of the IC. This is base and this is emitter. When you give the positive to the base in diode mode, it must be beep. This is the base. This was the base. This is no beep. When this 4 MOSFET is working. Same check, same this MOSFET, idle air control, fuel injector control. If you have problem, you can check same this like. If problem, you must be changed in this. This is 4 MOSFET. Okay, thank you.